Hi, Achieve Charter School. I am going to teach you how to play Tonight You Belong to Me. I keep forgetting the tonight part. And hopefully you'll send me some videos. I didn't get any videos from the Bruno Mars song that we did last week, which I really thought people were going to show me their expertise in ukulele, or at least they're practicing, or they're getting better at ukulele, but nobody sent me anything or posted anything that I saw. So hopefully you still will. I learned this song when I first started playing the ukulele, and so some of the chords I'm not even familiar with and I don't use regularly, and so I don't even know the names of, so I'm sorry. But we're just going to show you how to do it here, and then maybe we'll find out what the actual names of the chord are. Okay, so we're going to start off with G. G is that little triangle that we did last time in that video. It's our pointer finger, 2nd fret, 4th string, our middle finger, 2nd fret, 2nd string, and then our ring finger is 3rd fret, 3rd string. So it makes a little triangle, boom, boom. So we're going to start with that. And then we're going to go to F, which is our middle finger, 2nd fret, 1st string, pointer finger, 1st fret, 3rd string. And then we will be using a C, which is our ring finger, 3rd fret, 4th string. And then this is a C minor. You're going to, instead of just covering the 4th string on that 3rd fret, you're going to cover 2, 3, and 4. So you're just going to move your finger up like so, push down. And there's that. So that's basically all you need to know for the first. Oh, no, and then E, I'm sorry. So it is middle finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string, pointer finger, 2nd fret, and 1st string. So let's do the first verse. And every one of them, you strum it. We're going to just do a regular strum. You strum it 4 times. So let's start at the beginning. So it starts with G. So G, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, C minor, 2, 3, back to G, 2, 3, and then E, and then G again, and then C, and G. So at the end of the first verse, it goes G, E minor, G with just 2. 1, 2, C, 2, 1, 2. I hope that makes sense. So G for 2, C for 2, G for 2. All right. And then you do the same thing for the second chorus. So let's try and sing just the first chorus, and then we'll move on to, there's a little bridge that we do, and that's where I don't really remember the name of the chords, but we'll get through it. Okay, so starts with G. We're gonna go slow. 1, 2, ready, go. I know you belong to somebody new, but tonight you belong to me. And then you do that again, and that will be your second verse, and then we have our bridge. Now our bridge starts with the G. You already know that. It's the triangle. So it goes G. Oh, no, I'm sorry. It doesn't. Okay, so this is where I get confused on the names of things. So we're going to take and do, sorry. That sounds weird. Oh, that's why. I forgot to play it. Okay, so we're going to use our ring finger, and this gets very tricky. So we are going to go 1, 2, 3, 3rd fret. No, I'm sorry, 4th fret. We're going to cover the whole thing. And then, so you want it to sound like this. If you can hear the difference. I can't even hear it. I don't know how to play this part. Oh, I was telling you the wrong fret. Okay, sorry. Okay, it's the third one, and we're only doing 3 of the strings. So string 2, 3, and 4 are covered with a ring finger. Sorry. And you go 1, 2, and then you put your middle finger, and you're going to cover the first string, 2nd fret. So we go 1, 2, cover, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so it sounds a little bit different than just playing this the whole time, C minor the whole time. So it's okay, and then we go back into a G. Okay, now this is the hard one that I have no idea what the name of it is. We're going to take our middle finger and put it up to the 1st fret, 1st string. And then we're going to leave our pointer finger, 2nd fret, 4th string, middle finger, 1st fret, 1st string, and then ring finger, 2nd fret, 2nd string. See how that sounds? Okay, so we're going to go from G to the mystery chord, and then we're going to go to A7, and then back to C. That is a really hard bridge, but we can do it. So let's try it again. So we're going to start from the beginning. So it goes C minor, and then we're going to do this little cover up top, which I don't know the name of that chord. So here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then we're going to go to G for 4, and do the mystery chord for 4, and then to C for 4, A7 for 4, 2, 3, and then 1 C. Okay? It's hard, but I know you can do it. You're not going to just get to do this and be amazing at it. You're going to have to work at it. I worked at the song for a long time, getting just that bridge part because it was very confusing. So let's do the bridge again. We start with C minor and then change it to whatever that chord is there. Maybe Lori Pine could tell us what the name of that chord is. Okay, so it goes like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now G for 4. Mystery chord for 4. A7 for 4. And C for 1. Okay, that was amazing. Let's try it with the words. Here we go. Start with the C minor. It goes way down by the stream, how sweet it would seem once more. Mystery chord, just a dream by the moonlight, my darling. I know by the dawn that you will be gone, but tonight, sorry, I'm singing the alto part. To me. Okay, so sorry about all my mess ups. Sorry I didn't know the name of all the chords. I'm human. What are you gonna do? But I will send a candy bar to the first person who sends me a recording of either this song or the Bruno Mars song that we did last week. So I'll put it in the mail. I'll wipe it down with Lysol. I'll wear some gloves. And I will send you a candy bar. And you can have your choice of an Oreo mint candy bar or a Twix bar. Okay. So send it to K Laufer, KLAUFER at ACMS Rocks, I think is what it is. Or is it a cheap chart? No, it's a cheapcharter.org. Okay. I miss you guys. I hope you're being safe and healthy. And Lexi just went and grabbed her ukulele. I think she's going to try and be the first video. All right. Talk to you soon.